In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 1, exercise 9.1, circle. Observe this question. Recall that two circles are congruent if they have the same radii. Prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at their center. So, in this question, we want to prove that what equal chords of congruent triangle circles. Two circles are congruent. So I am taking two circles, and these two circles, one is having center O, another one is having center O dash. These two circles are what? Congruent. Congruent means prove that equal chords of congruent circle. Congruent circle means both circles are having equal radius. Both circles are having equal radius. Clear? It means MO equal to NO equal to PO dash equal to QO dash. All radius are what? Equal. So another thing is what? Chord. What about the chord? Chord is a line segment. Chord is a line segment. Chord is a line segment joining two points of a circumference. What? Chord is a line segment joining two points of a circumference. So this is what? Circumference of a circle. This is what? Circumference of a circle. It's 2 point. One is M, another one is N. 2 points of circumference of a circle M and N. One line segment. We are getting one line segment MN, and this line segment is called chord, in which line segment PQ, P and Q are 2 points of circumference of a circle, and joining these points we are getting line segment PQ, and this line segment is called what? Chord. So first I am writing given things, given equal chords. Prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles. We are having what? Equal chords. So given MN and PQ, MN and PQ are two equal chords of two congruent two equal chords of two congruent circles with center O and O dash. With center, congruent circles with center 8 O and O dash. So this thing we are having in the question. Given MN and PQ are two equal chords of two congruent circle with center at O and O dash. With center at O and O dash. We want to prove what thing we want to prove? Prove that equal chords of congruent circle. This thing we are having. Subtend equal angles at their center. Equal angles. Angle at their center. From these two chords we are getting angle at center is what? MON and PO dash Q. So MON equal to angle PO dash Q. This thing we want to prove. So how we will prove this one? What about its proof? Observe. In triangle MON and triangle PO dash Q. In these two triangles, what things we are having? Both are congruent. Both are what? Equal. if they have the same radius. What? Recall that two circles are congruent if they have the same radii. Both are having same radius. It means MO equal to PO dash. This thing is given. Another thing, NO, this is also radius. NO equal to QO dash, given. Another one, MN equal to PQ. MN equal to PQ. This thing also given. Clear? So we can say triangle MON is congruent of, we want to prove, already we are having these two circles are congruent. They are congruent, it means line segments are equal, radius are equal. Clear? But we just want to prove. So triangle MON is congruent of triangle PO dash Q by side congruence rule. By side congruence rule, we can say these two triangles are what? Congruent. Once these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles will be equal. So this side equal to this one equal to, all are equal. So this one equal to this one, and this one equal to what? This one. Clear? So what we can say, corresponding angles, this angle will be equal to this one, this angle will be equal to this one, this angle will be equal to this one. So we can say, so angle MON will be equal to angle PO dash Q by CPCT. Hence proved. This thing we want to prove, so we proved. Clear? Observe again what we are doing in this question. We want to prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at their center. At their center, equal chords of congruent triangles subtending equal angles. Clear? At their center. So in the question we are having MN and PQ are what? Two equal chords of two congruent circles with center O and O dash. This is the chord, this is also chord, and both are congruent. So from this point to this one, this to this one, this is what? Radius. And in which this to this one, this to this one are what? Radius. But these we are having, these two circles are what? Congruent. It means radius will be equal, MO equal to PO dash. Similarly we can say MO equal to NO equal to PO dash equal to QO dash. All are equal. So once we consider these two triangles, then we can say this lying segment MN equal to PQ equal MO equal to PO dash and NO equal to QO dash. So from side congruence rule, we proved that these two triangles are congruent. Then corresponding parts of these two triangles, CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles will be what? Equal. So this angle MON will be equal to PO dash Q. So this thing we want to prove. So we proved what? Equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at their center. Equal angles at their center. This thing we want to prove, we proved. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.